Did we climb the food chain? Some people certainly eat a lot of animal protein. Figures in Harpers Biochemistry show that people eating a standard Western diet consume nearly twice as much protein as recommended, and that 70% of this protein is of animal origin. But is eating up the food chain using technology the same as ascending the food chain by evolution? In Programme 4 I mentioned Hans de Melt, who thinks that our dietary advancement has outpaced our genetic flexibility, and Richard Dawkins, who speaks of the improbability of a herbivore evolving into a carnivore in his book The Selfish Gene. I also told you about Martin Pickford's research that shows that humans have the dental morphology of our frugivorous Miocene ancestors. Their diet was supposedly based on fruit. They had not shown the partial transition to meat eating that the dental morphology of chimps reveals. But did we make the improbable biological transition to become the meat eaters that so many people seem keen to emulate with their food choices? Unlike the chimpanzee, our dental morphology doesn't reflect this. Harpers Biochemistry mentions that some animals are resistant to atherosclerosis, whereas other species are not. About 40% of men eating the standard Western diet die of heart disease. Evidence suggests that everyone eating a standard Western diet has atherosclerosis. In fact, some people wrongly believe it's just part of aging. In fact, it's a reversible condition. Harpers Biochemistry says that rabbits, pigs and monkeys are susceptible to atherosclerosis, whereas rats, dogs and cats are not. Rabbits are, of course, herbivores. Pigs, aren't they omnivores? Well, actually their natural diet is 99% plant matter and about 1% worms. Long-tailed and rhesus macaques are monkeys used in atherosclerosis research. They eat animal matter sometimes, mostly invertebrates. They are certainly not carnivores. Rats are accomplished predators and can consume a considerable amount of meat. Dogs and cats are members of the carnivore family. Dogs are predators and scavengers, whereas cats are obligate meat eaters. So where is the chimpanzee? I think it belongs in the middle. Chimps are somewhat prone to atherosclerosis, but they also have those dental adaptations to consuming flesh. But overall, they do not eat a lot of meat. What about us? We are very susceptible to atherosclerosis. We do not have the meat-eating adaptations of the chimpanzee, so that puts us on the left with the animals that rarely to never eat meat, but that may consume some invertebrates even if only incidentally, like the rabbit. Monkeys have a faster metabolism that creates a demand for richer foods like invertebrates, a metabolic demand that we do not have. Thanks for listening. If you found this program interesting, then please subscribe to my channel.